Hello viewers, today our topic is how to connect mobile WhatsApp into your laptop. So first of all, we will open Chrome browser. Here see, open Chrome browser. After the opening of Chrome browser, click on search and type WhatsApp web. WhatsApp web. So click on this website, WhatsApp web. Here procedure to connect mobile to your laptop. So first write open WhatsApp on your phone. So we open WhatsApp in our phone. Then tap menu or setting. Click three dots and here write and see here link device. Click on link device and scan this scanner on your laptop. After you scan, so easily open your WhatsApp in your laptop from mobile to laptop. Here see, just a minute loading, please wait. So easily open your WhatsApp in your laptop. Here see, hopefully this video is very interesting for you, so kindly subscribe my channel and watch our videos. Okay, thank you.